We want to find the shaded area below, so that's this blue shaded area. Now what I can see is that it's a parallelogram with two semicircles subtracted. If I call this semicircle 1 and this one semicircle 2, so we've got to take away semicircle 1 and we've got to take away semicircle 2. Now for a parallelogram it's just base times height, so that's 30 times 20. Note that this is the diameter, so the radius of this one is 2. Semicircles are half of a circle, so we could just use pi r squared divided by 2, or we could use the sector formula, 180, remember this would be 180 degrees here, over 360 times pi times the radius squared. These are actually just the same because 180 divided by 360 is a half. Multiplying by a half is the same as dividing by 2. So let's use this because it's a slightly smaller formula. So for semicircle 1 the radius is 12, so that's going to be pi times 12 squared and divide that by 2. Remember that's the same as multiplying by 180 over 360. And this one's radius is 2, so pi times 2 squared over 2. And we just need to calculate that. The best thing to do always with these things is calculate all in one go. So 30 times 20, take away, so we have pi times 12 squared, and divide that by 2. And we also want to take away pi times 2 squared and divide that by 2. So that is 367.522, and if we give it to 2 decimal places that's 376 point, this is a 2 so the 2 doesn't round, 52. They're all in centimeters, so it will be centimeters squared, correct to 2 decimal places.